Hey guys, welcome to PPV ROCKER. In this section, I'll show you how to install CPV Lab server. But before I go ahead, I'll assume at this point you have already purchased the CPV Lab and got the download link, and you have downloaded their files as well. And also you have got the hosting server. I highly recommend Beyond Hosting or Name Hero as the VPS services you should use, as they provide the better service and they provide the best service. So far I have been using them for like 4 years, and their customer service is great, and they always take care of you. So let's go ahead. First of all, what you need to do is you need to click on File Manager, and you'll have to browse onto whatever domain you are using. And after that, once you have done, let's say I'm using makemoney.info. So what I'll do is I'll upload my main files, which I have already done, but for demonstration purpose I'll show you how to do it. So the first, what you need to do is once you download CPV Lab, you'll receive a file like this. You need to extract it. For example, here if I click, okay, it's not showing option, but once you go there, once you extract a file, then you receive these files: version, features, user guide, installation guide, additional files, and all that. What we need is we need to convert this one into zip file again, so we can upload it, and we'll upload it once. As you can see, I have already uploaded it. So once you refresh it, you'll see the installation file. What we need now is to right click and extract this file, extract the whole package. As you can see, it's here now. So what I need to do is to delete these extra files. And also, as I want to install my domain here, my CPV Lab here on root domain, so what I need to do is to select all these files and move them to the root folder, so that they are not under this folder. So if you can see, they are moving up. Now you can see they are all here. Now what I need is I need to install the CPV Lab. For that, I'll go on my domain, whatever domain you are using, your tracking domain, .com.info, and then install.php. As you can see, once I click here, I'll reach the configuration file. Now what you need to do is you need to create a database. Here I used MySQL database wizard. As you can see here, it will allow you to create your database name and database name, username, and then the password. You'll have to save these details as we'll need them. So what I'm going to do is now use these details. For example, this one is username, so I'll put it where it asks for login, and then where it asks for database name, I'll use it here. And the password, once you are creating the database, it will also ask you for a password to create a password, so you'll have to put it here. And then the email from where you bought the CPV Lab, your license email. For example, mine was this one, so I'll have to use this, and then click install. Once you're done with that, as you can see, it's asking you to remove the install.php file so no one else can mess up with your configuration. So I'll head over here and delete this file simply, and that's it. We are done. Now the default login password for the CPV Lab is admin. Now what you need to do is, the first thing, to go and click on this settings button, and then change your username and your password, so that you can start using it. So it's simple as that. If you have any questions, make sure you open a ticket into your sport area, and would be happy to help you out. So that's it for this session, and meet you in next session. Bye bye.